Thank you for watching the video. Let's do a quick recap on the markets. Bunch of people have been asking me about do some recaps on the markets to see where your take is. So first, we're looking at the spiders. Spiders, the best trade on spiders is always the fake out. Um, Historically, that's always been the case, right? Once you see a big breakdown, and once you see that it getting reclaimed with a big giant candle, and right now we are on a strong uptrend. So as long as we are over this 223 level, it's buy the dip scenario. Um, Looking at some of the sectors, which is gold, GLD. This sector has actually been down, right? I mean, if you look at the trend is clearly down. Now, there are hints of reversals. You know what? There was hints of reversals over here too. Uh, Now you're seeing a bit more reversals on here. If you try to throw it out on the monthly chart, see if we have anything happening on monthly. Nothing much really going on here, right? Stock has on the monthly is just on a steady decline. So it's going to be on the weekly. So if you're looking to swing trade, nothing much to do on gold sector. Um, let's look at the file using USO. Chop fest over here, nothing to do over here either, right? Look at this, just big mess. Let's look at natural gas, UNG. I don't really like to trade these stocks. This could be considered as a fake out, but this chart kind of gaps every day, so not a best of the chart to take a look at. Let's look at the FANG stocks, right? Some of the more famous names people like to trade, watch. So first is Facebook. Let's look at the Facebook. Um, so there are some great things happening with Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg has been creating his own AI for his home. Has Morgan Freeman talking to him and so on. Overall, the stock has been up. Now the stock went up from 75 to 135, almost double. Double is about 150. So now you're seeing some kind of a sideways action, which is pretty good, right? On the daily chart, though, there's nothing. It's a constructive pattern. It's not really like falling apart. On the daily pattern, there's a lot of work to do, though. But of course, on the weekly, you saw there was just a big chop fest right now. It's just sideways action. So if you're looking to trade Facebook, the bias is long as it holds this 115 level. Has held it multiple times. Next one is Amazon. Um, did about $1 billion in sales during the Christmas, New Year holidays. So similar structure as Facebook, not really too different, right? 450, this almost doubled as well. That was from 75 to 135. This one is from 450 to 850. So in terms of the dollars, it might be different, but in terms of percentages, not too much. Same sideways action going on in the Amazon. So looks constructive on here though. Netflix is one of the names which actually broke out. It's one of the names where there's too much eyes on it, right? Um, right now, when let's look at this level. So 131 level was kind of a key level, actually broke out today. One thing which I don't really like is stocks breaking out on the third candle, which means how much more can it go? Can it go? It can go, but how much more can it go? Right? That's the theory. Look at this. You have three candles up, fourth candle more, and then flush down. So if you're looking to swing it, don't worry. It's gonna give you a lot more buy opportunities. Right now, it's three candles up. If you're looking to swing trade, just hold on to your horses. It's gonna give you some opportunities on there. Let's look at Google. Chop fest out here. Um, so Google name actually in 2016 just been sideways. Now it looks like it might actually start breaking up, but then we'll see how things are, right? We'll see how things are. But right now it's just sideways. So in terms of the FANG stocks, the only strongest name is Netflix, which actually broke out. The next couple of ones didn't really do much. Gold sector, oil sector, not really doing much. Neither is natural gas. Intraday, you might see some opportunities, but in terms of getting swing trades, not a lot. SPY is still strong, as long as it's over the levels that I mentioned. You're going to be looking at more long positions, and when things are long, it's easy to trade. When things get more volatile, is when stocks SPY is getting hit, right? If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, swatchlist@gmail.com, or follow me on Twitter, StockTwits @WatchlistStock. I'm doing a vlog as well, documenting my trading videos, trading a small account of $4,000, trying to build it up slowly but surely. Every month I'll try to take some profits out. You know what? At the end, we're doing trading for money. If you're not getting any money, there's no point in trading. So, any questions? Hit me up. If you like the videos, feel free to watch. Feel free to subscribe and like the videos. Adios.